Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today I am going to start the new series called that is PL-SQL in DBMS. Today we are going to see only the introduction. So whenever you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So introduction to PL-SQL. So as of you know, you have idea about SQL. We continue with so many classes. So we go for because it's a procedural extension to the SQL. Remember. So PL-SQL is what? Nothing but it's a procedural extension to the SQL and it has a features of programming language. What am I there? And here the commands are included in the procedural block also. And moreover, what you can say, it's basically a programming language, procedural language, which provides a functionality of decision making, iteration, and many more features. The upcoming session will discuss everything and what exactly PL-SQL means. We can say it instructing. I will use the laser point. Yes, you can say it means instructing the compiler what to do through SQL and how to do through its procedural way. This is the motto of PL-SQL here, and it can execute a number of queries in one block using a single command. Remember, and moreover, it's a block structure language that enables developers to combine the power of SQL with procedural statements. So you can do and do a number of operations with the help of PL-SQL, with the help of database also. And moreover, it stands for procedural language extensions to the structured query language. Remember, and it's an embedded language. You can say it's an embedded language, and it can only execute in an Oracle database. This is the one of the drawback. Only execute in an Oracle database. Moreover, we can say the positive that is it's a high performance and highly integrated database language. And we can say here the code is PL-SQL code is executed through procedural statement executor while SQL command through SQL statement executor. Let's go for the difference between the PL and PL-SQL and SQL. So it's the important one. Then only you can carry forward the architecture and how to install the PL-SQL and so on and so on. So when you come to the point of SQL, we can say a single query that is used to perform DML and detail operations only. But when you come to the point of PL-SQL, you can say a block of codes that is used to write the entire program, blocks or procedure or functions, etc. And when you come to the point of SQL, you can say it's declarative and defines what need to be done rather than how things to be done. And here we can say procedural, PL-SQL is a procedural that defines how the things need to be done. And here always SQL execute a single statement and here it execute a whole block. If you have a block, you can write some code and try to execute. And here SQL mainly used to manipulate data and here it's mainly PL-SQL mainly used to create an application. So do you want to create any application, you can carry forward and go behind the help of PL-SQL. And in here the SQL interaction with the database server is there and here no interaction with the database server. And here SQL cannot contain PL-SQL code, but here PL-SQL is an extension of SQL, so it can contain SQL inside it. So what are the advantages or benefits or features of PL-SQL? Because they're saying here the convenience is one of the language helpful for everyone, and the real time creating any web applications will help you and support the portability. That means portable means what? Any machine, any platform, you can try to execute the PL-SQL. So n number of advantages there. So I hope that you understand today what is PL-SQL, why we need, and how we can compare with SQL. Remaining we will see in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.